In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update n8n, the powerful workflow automation tool using Docker Compose. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting started with n8n, keeping your installation up to date is crucial for security, access to new features, and general performance enhancements. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open a terminal on your machine. This will be the command line interface where all actions will take place. Make sure you have sufficient permissions to execute the commands we're about to cover, and that Docker Compose is properly installed on your system. You can troubleshoot any installation issues by visiting the Docker Compose documentation or community forums if needed. Once your terminal is open, navigate to the directory where your docker compose.iml file resides. This file essentially describes your application's services, networks, and volumes, and is critical for managing Docker containers. You can navigate to this folder using the cd command followed by the path to your directory. Ensuring you're in the correct directory is vital because the upcoming commands are specifically targeting the setup defined by your docker compose.iml file. With that step complete, you can now pull the latest Docker image for n8n. To do this, type in docker compose pull and press enter. This command will fetch the newest image version from the Docker Hub repository. Pulling the latest image ensures that you have the most recent version of n8n, equipped with all the latest bug fixes and features. The process may take a little while, depending on your internet speed and the size of new updates, so feel free to grab a coffee while you wait. Next, you'll need to stop and remove the old container. This step ensures that the system isn't running conflicting versions at the same time, which can lead to errors. Use the command docker compose down. It's essential to know that this will merely stop and remove the container itself, and won't affect your workflows, credentials, or data, as long as they're stored in a designated persistent volume. Proper storage practices act as a safety net during these update processes. Now it's time to start the newly updated version of n8n. Type in docker compose up, edu, and hit enter. The D flag stands for detached mode, meaning your terminal won't be locked up by the running process, giving you the freedom to perform other tasks simultaneously. Your system should now be running the latest version of n8n. The final step involves verifying the update. You'll want to ensure everything is working smoothly and catch any potential errors early. To do this, enter the command docker compose logs, fn8n. As the logs roll in, keep an eye out for messages indicating a successful startup and any database migration notes. These will confirm that your update process was successful. Congratulations, you've just updated n8n using Docker Compose. This simple yet powerful tool can greatly enhance your workflow automation capabilities, and with an updated version, you'll continue to get the best out of n8n. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.